how's it going? Welcome back. Today we have a brand new information from the developers that they've confirmed certain things that they're working on. We're also going to be talking about the latest patch that they did, which was very surprising. So at this moment, we're looking at close to every 2 days, we're getting a brand new patch update, which is great. So first, let's dive into what the developers are talking about. So this came in just early in the morning. The first question says, will devs fix the stats cap on weapon? It looks like being bugged and shows the wrong info. How can all weapons have the same 5 bar fire rate and things like that? That is such a good attention to details right there. A 45 ACP and also 9 times 19 are weaker than the 918 SMG, and the pistol have more pin than early gamer AR game AR. Just don't make sense at all. And the answer went on to by Molten. He went on to say, we are investigating some ideas on how to make the information on weapon stats more understandable. The next one that we have here, it is by the on Discord. Are all aware of the artifacts being weird? Hey, the next question is, are all aware of the artifacts weird water spawning under the map in the wandering lights location of the nighttime? A lot of players have already reported this, hoping to get a fix soon. Working on a fix, Molten went on to say. So they're working on that as well. The next question it is, have you all thought of the idea of adding different compiling shaders, loading screens, tanks? Maybe in the future. Obviously, not a priority at this moment. So that is when you log in into the game. You guys get those like about 2 to 3 minute wait till the game launches. Then we got this question. I just completed the game and was wondering if how do I continue play by reloading before the point of no return, or is there a way to continue playing after the main story it is complete? I know a lot of you guys, and hopefully me, I'm wishing that we would get something like in NG Plus or something like that, so we can continue. But no, the answer is you'll just need to load before the point of no return to be able to continue playing. Next question is, when will or are we going to be able to upgrade our standard to another edition? Plan to be added some point. The date is not yet set. Next question is, can you guys fix the issues on Xbox when you're transferring loot from a private stash to your inventory? It always goes to the very top, scrolling down again. I brought out this issue, gonna investigate it. So we'll see on that fix. And then we got this one as well. We got another one. No vendor sells SP6 ammo, and this is designed by choice, or is that a bug? WS Vintar becomes unusable. At the moment, you have to fight heavy armor enemies. Molten went on to say, in game, traders can be selling them with some change. So there you go. And then the last one is, will there be a way to give manual saves custom names in the future? That will be really useful. It's something that we are discussing, but sure, not in the close future. So there you go. Those are the some of the updates from the developer. Let's talk about the other update that we saw yesterday. And this was patch 1.03, which was very surprising, about leakage and about different things that missions that were fixed. So first, crash and memory leaks, multiple access violations errors fixed, multiple low level fatal error crashes were fixed. According to the feedback, we adjusted the following parameters: values to decrease the input lag on keyboard and mouse smoothing disabled the default, mouse accelerated disabled by default. So additionally, default values of a mouse sensitivity were updated to a low predictable default experience for our players of new values of two parameters mentioned below: the camera sensitivity 25% and also aim sensitivity. And then we have some fixes in regards to the main missions and side missions. Fix, as you're able to see there, fix an issue, and this one was for the monolithians that were to be able to players outside by X5 lab during In Search of the Past Glory mission. Then we got another update which talks about fix an issue where the NPC hamster in Ricochet would die after trying to enter the building during the mission of On the Edge. And then we also have another fix, which is the bike Bayun cat, which could despawn before players loot a collar from the during the name of the sign mission. We also have another fix, and this is with players potentially locking on oneself during the dangerous license mission. And then we also got another fix here with the Roosevelt becoming hostile upon noticing that a player is going to stealthy through the commissionary during the King of the Hill mission. And then we have fix an issue where the Saba despawns in front of the player after the dialogue in the bunker during a heavy burden mission. And then fix an issue with NPCs despawning when players successfully finish Legend of the Zone mission. Then we just got a few more updates in regards to the AI, where they were able to fix some body stretchings that you guys have experienced, and also fix an issue where it comes with the NPCs to block doors during the back of the Slag Hip mission. And then we got some fixed issues with the balancing, and this is for the Cyto Rich not selling certain ammo types. And then, of course, saves fixed issues where missing players saves after the hard reboot of the PC or Xbox. So there you go. Those are the what's going on at this moment. The latest news about all the different patches from Stalker 2. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Check out this other video here in regards to different suits or different weapons that you may be able to find in the open world. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.